little flower.
Let's learn about the life cycle of butterfly. Here's a beautiful butterfly. First, a butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant. Then, these eggs hatch and young ones called caterpillars come out of the eggs. Caterpillars are like eating machines. It starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow bigger and bigger. After eating a lot, the caterpillar stops and forms a protective case around itself called a chrysalis. Inside it, the magic happens. The caterpillar transforms into a butterfly. When the chrysalis opens, a beautiful butterfly begins to emerge. And then butterfly is ready to explore the world with its colorful wings.